Welcome back, and today we're gonna talk about premium and discount zones. I mean, it's kinda like Fibonacci. Of course, in Fibonacci there is more. I'm gonna talk about that in the future lessons, I think. But premium and discount zones are like main terminology where people are using, when they expressing, for example, oh, right now crypto is dumping. And what we are saying that it's not dumping, it's not bear market, but now the crypto is in the discount zone and it's good time to buy it. But this is just one of the terminology, and I'm going to show you how to set it up, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's get into the charts. So yeah, the Bitcoin chart, oh, it's resetted. Okay, I'm gonna remove everything, and we can take like a weekly chart. Yeah, and we can clearly see that from the weekly chart, basically if we're taking from the 24th 25, there was always price range which was going up. Okay, we don't need that, we know how to use it. It's going up, yeah. So basically from 23k to 126k, yeah. There is of course there is less. So what we are doing, we're taking Fibonacci. I showed you yesterday how to draw it, lowest point and the highest point. Yeah, it's gonna be like that. Okay, we can take it from the swing low. It was here, the lowest point here, about 15k right here, and the highest point, of course, I mentioned it before, it's gonna be 126k. yeah, pretty simple. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out, I don't need it, it's distracting me. Okay, so how to set it up? What you have to do, first of all, double click on the Fibonacci, and what you're leaving is 0, you're leaving 1, and you're leaving 0.5. yeah, because we need a premium and we need a discount zone. So basically it's looking like this. We are in the uptrend. Yeah, so if we are in the uptrend, we are looking for the long positions, and this is a weekly chart. So if you're gonna buy here and make a trade, you need to hold at least for years. You know what I'm telling. So basically we have the lowest point, we have the highest point, and when the market starts retracing and going down, if we have from the 0% to the 50%, we calling this zone a discount zone. Yeah, we are calling the zone a discount zone. If we are looking from the top, this called a premium zone. If you are looking for the trade in the premium zone, you're looking for the short positions. If you are looking at the discount zone, you are looking for the long positions. So basically what we can expect, that the market try to move here and we are looking for the long position. Yeah, so basically our zone right here, it's to find the right entry point for the long position, and we're targeting the premium zone above us. This is what it is. So we have our Bitcoin chart from 2023, and it's basically 2027 or 4 years. Yeah, so 4-year cycle. We're gonna also talk about that, but it's gonna be as a normal video in the future. But basically right now we are in the discount zone and we are looking for the confirmations, to enter the trade. And if we are looking for more confirmations, we have our discount zone. Yeah, from 0 to 50%. We can look for more examples, which is gonna be, for example, this demand zone. Yeah, it's possible that the market gonna go down to this demand zone, bounce it here several times, and then start climbing up. Yeah, it's also possible to take out the liquidity. Another demand zone is here, the lowest point, and of course it's also possible. Yeah, so the market can go down, as I draw you, go up a little bit, can take out the liquidity here and start climbing up. But basically if the market goes below our discount zone, I mean, there is nothing to talk about and the crypto gonna be dead, that's for sure. So I do not expect that the market and the Bitcoin can go below 15k. That's my analysis. And basically the lowest demand zone which we can find, it's gonna be this one, and it's gonna be ranging from 90k to 23k. And if that's happened here, I am buying a lot of Bitcoin. Yeah, that's for sure. And I'm expecting for the market to retrace back and make a new all-time high. So for example, if we're taking a bold move and we entering here at the demand zone, putting our stop loss below our discount zone, because yeah, I'm telling you, if the Bitcoin goes below the discount zone, we are fucked. That's for sure. And we're targeting the highs. And we have an amazing 1 to 11, basically 1 to 12 risk reward. But this is from the higher time frame, from the weekly chart. One candle is drawn in 1 week. So it's not worth it. But from the bigger picture, you can see that right now the market is in the discount zone and there is no change of character, no market shifts or anything. So the dump gonna continue for at least 2 months, I think. That's when the new cycle is gonna be starting. But we have that the market is in the discount zone, and I want to present you that. How we are using this one? We are going to the lower time frame. Yeah, remove everything, and we're going, for example, the 4-hour chart. Yeah, 4-hour chart, and and we have our movement. Basically, we are taking highest point because we don't care about this movement. Yeah, it's happened and it was a huge dump. And we're taking our lowest point. And we're taking the Fibonacci. Yeah, lowest point and the highest point. So basically, if the market dumps below here, you should start looking for the long positions. Yeah, just if you're a day trader, what I am and what I'm teaching you, if the market is gonna stay here in the premium zone, what you have to do is just simple: mark the points, mark the highest points, mark the supply demand, mark the support and resistance zones, and try to look for short positions. If the market, for example, we have supply zone here, yeah, it's not really correct, but you get the idea. And if the market goes to that way, yeah, market goes like that, like that, like that, from here, about 65k, I am myself and with the Cryptoholic Academy, we're gonna looking for the short positions. And it's possible it's gonna happen, and it's gonna happen something like this. And as I told you before, for the next 2 months, I'm still expecting that the market's gonna be dumping. But basically, you can copy me if you wanna. This is 4-hour chart, and yeah, just remember, at the bottom we have a discount zone, at the top we have the premium zone. And basically right now the market is at 63k, and yeah, it's below 50% from the highest point, because the highest point was 126k. And yeah, we are exactly at 50% from the top down. So we have to understand this, and we have to understand that the market is getting into the discount zone, and it's worth it to accumulate it, it's worth it to buy it. Just be cautious about that. So yeah guys, premium and discount zone, simple terms, basically from 0 to 50% and from 50% to 100%. We can see how market reacts, and we can try to using this one just for yourself. You know, you don't need to make analysis for that, it's just part of it. You need to understand how is it works, how is it moving, and you can apply that if you're looking for the positions. Also apply more information, of course. Do not just rely on the premium and discount zones, but it helps a little bit, but it helps. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode.